business owners and soon to be Amazon business owners. It's Tim with ALGO Online Retail. I get questions all the time from Canadian students. Hey Tim, does ALGO help Canadians sell on Amazon? And if they do, how do we find suppliers? How do we do all that from Canada? ALGO has more Canadian students than I think anyone else out there. And yes, we help Canadians sell on Amazon. So here's how it works. If you live in Canada, you have some choices. You can sell to the entire North America market through one Amazon account. So if you want to sell to Canadians, you're going to find suppliers in Canada and have those suppliers shipped straight to an Amazon FBA warehouse in Canada. If you want to target the US market from Canada, then you're going to find suppliers in the US and they'll ship to FBA centers in the US. Now here's the best news. You don't need to know what you're doing beforehand. Meaning, you can learn how to do this, open up your Amazon account, and then as you research products and find suppliers, you can decide, are you going to target Canada? Are you going to target the US? Are you going to target both? But that's how we teach our students to do this. Now, why are we finding suppliers in the US, in Canada? With how things are working today, with customs, with delays because of COVID and supply chain problems, you want to find suppliers that have already brought that product into the country that you are targeting. Now, I'm going to go into this in a lot more detail in a free live webinar I'm going to be hosting. There's a link right down there. Click on that link, get registered. Again, it's free. It's going to be 90 minutes long. I'm going to show you how do you find suppliers? How do you negotiate with them? If you live in Canada, how do you do these things? How is it different if you live in Canada? I'd love to teach you how to do this. Click on that link. Get registered, and I'll see you soon.